memories.
You said a mouthful, stomach.
It appears to be closed.
Close? Is this some kind of sick joke? Yes, stomach. That's exactly what I'm trying to find out. Can't believe it! We've been everywhere in this fair, and there's not a single Royal Henry to be found! That monster! Right, a monster. That's what I said. Can we get